In this video, you will learn how to replace the rear wheel using the 4mm Allen key, which you can find in the tool bag provided. Other tools you'll need to prepare are the 4mm screwdriver, the 18mm open wrench, and the belt tension meter. First, remove the battery from the bike with the battery key. Then, place the bike upside down. This ensures maximum stability and makes it easy to operate. To remove the rear wheel, locate the cord cover plate located inside the kickstand mount hole. Remove the 4mm screws with the screwdriver. Take good care of the screws. Don't lose them. You will need to put them back on later. Remove the elastic fastener piece with a 4mm Allen key on both sides of the rear dropout. Loosen the big nut with an 18mm wrench. And then remove the nuts and spacers. Push the wheel forward and rotate the wheel backward to remove the carbon belt from the wheel and the chain ring. Rest it on the frame carefully. Unscrew and disconnect the motor cord. Now the rear wheel is free. Remove the rear wheel from the frame. Take off both sides' inner gasket from the rear wheel. When you finish the work on the rear wheels, it's time to put in the back. Put on the two inner gaskets onto the rear wheel. Make sure that there's no space between the gasket and the metal nut. Meanwhile, the thick side of the gasket needs to be aligned in the opposite direction of the motor connection line in the back. Install the rear wheel and adjust the location. Make sure the brake plate is in the right place in the middle of the clippers. Install the two outer gaskets, making sure that the thick side is at the back and facing inward. Install the belt on the chain ring first. Then push the wheel inward and rotate the wheel forward to install the belt onto the cassette. Put the big nuts back on both sides. Tighten them by hand to a level that is just enough to hold the back wheel in place, but don't fully tighten them yet, and install the elastic fastener piece. The thick side should face outward. Tighten the screw nicely. These two screws are for adjusting the tension of the belt. Pull the back wheel back to tension the belt. Tighten the screw to tighten the belt. Make sure that the wheel is in the center line in this process. Check the tension on the belt constantly. Belt tension can be measured with the belt tension meter. The tension be between 20 to 25 kilograms. Tighten the big nut on the side with the brake plate first, then tighten the other side. Finally, connect the motor cord. And put the cord cover back on. Put the bike in a normal position and install the battery. Now you can enjoy your ride again.